All right. Good morning, good day, good afternoon. I hope everybody is doing well. Welcome to day 2 of the CVE program CNA Fall Technical Workshop. We're thrilled to have you all here as we dive into what will be another 4 hours or so of collaboration and insight and engagement around the CVE program and the important role CNAs are playing in advancing it. So yesterday we had an exciting lineup of talks, including some topics that I think today we'll be diving a little deeper on. We heard about the CVE program rules updates, the 25th anniversary celebration, as well as updates on CVE record enrichment and infrastructure and other topics. If you didn't get a chance to attend yesterday's talks, they were recorded. The CVE program will be propagating those out in the near future. Today, we have an exciting lineup, kicking off with a presentation by Lisa Olson from Microsoft. She's going to be talking about CVE record quality, discussing trends and inhibitors and requirements. Lisa's talk will give us a comprehensive look at the elements that shape high-quality CVE data and highlight the challenges and opportunities we have for improving this core aspect of our work. And then following that, we'll hear from Todd Beardsley, who will lead a discussion on CVE partner membership requirements. This is a valuable chance to explore the responsibilities and expectations that come with CNA membership, ensuring that we're all aligned on what's necessary for maintaining the CVE program standards and working to improve them. And then we'll have a quick break, and then we'll reconvene for a panel discussion with several of the CVE board members. It's an opportunity for them to provide insights into the CVE's role within the broader vulnerability management ecosystem, be discussing a variety of critical topics that impact both CNAs and the security community at large. The panel is designed to spark ideas and connect the dots between our day-to-day work and the wider industry landscape. And then right after that is probably the most, at least in my opinion, potentially the most exciting portion of the day, where we're going to have an open floor discussion and Q&A, where we're eager to hear directly from you. This is your opportunity, really distinct, dedicated opportunity to ask questions and share your experiences and discuss any challenges or ideas you have. We want, I think Kent said this yesterday, we really want to understand the pain points you encounter, learn from your perspectives, and identify ways that the CVE program can improve to better serve the entire community. As a reminder for housekeeping, please use the Q&A function in the Zoom tool. You should have a button that's Q&A. It'll pop up a little window, and that's where you can type in a question. It's great because people can answer questions and type, sort of keep them in line there, or they can be answered by the speaker. It worked pretty well yesterday, so we'll try it again. You can also raise your hand if you want to do that. But without further ado, thank you all for being here. And for the work that you do to make the program, the CVE program, what it is. Hope it's a good day of learning and discussion and collaboration.